everybody, it's Tana here from Textdrip, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick and easy tour of our dashboard. Let's go ahead and go to Textdrip.com, and we're going to dive right in right from the bottom up our mobile app. That's right. Did you know Textdrip has a mobile app? Well, if you're a person that's always on the go, but you want to stay connected with your leads, reply to messages, or just make updates, then our mobile app is your best friend. Just go ahead and scan that QR code and take Textdrip wherever you go. Next, we have our browser extension. We have it available for Google Chrome and Firefox. Now, this is how it looks once you actually install it within your account. This is a perfect way to connect your CRM to Textdrip. No more copying and pasting. You can add leads, check for landlines, send messages, or schedule appointments all within the Google Calendar, all within one click within our Chrome extension. Now, next, we also have a health score. Now, right from your dashboard, you can check your delivery rate. You can monitor opt-out, spam rates, and check for any message failures. You can hover over the eye icon for more information. Next, we have our response rate. Our response rate feature actually gives you a clearer, more accurate picture of your campaign's engagement. It doesn't just track how many responses you get, but it tells you how many unique leads are responding to your messages. This means that you're not just counting replies, but you're actually understanding real engagement. And then last but not least, we also have our drip message quality. Now at Textdrip, we want you guys to succeed, and that means not sending out any unsolicited messages. An unsolicited message is basically a cold message sent without permission or entrance from the contract. We want you guys to steer clear from that. So definitely take advantage of our drip message quality today. Next, we also have our refer and earn. If you want to earn free credits, just refer a friend. It's that easy. Share your custom link, and if they sign up and start using Textdrip, you can actually earn bonus credits on us. Next, we have the eDNC. This is going to help to boost your compliance by verifying contacts against the enterprise do not call list before messaging. It's a smart move to keep you aligned with your 10 DLC regulations. Next, we have our drip coins. You've already started earning drip coins during your sign-up process. These points can actually be used to purchase credits. Next, we also have a couple just extra tips within the dashboard that you can actually check out. Like you can view your activity. You can also check any notifications from here. You can also visit your landing page by just clicking here. And you have a way for you to change your theme by just clicking on the moon icon and edit your theme between light and dark mode. You can also click on your initials here to actually view and access your user profile. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope the dashboard walkthrough helps you to get the most out of your Textdrip experience. Now, for more information about the dashboard, mobile apps, or browser extension, you can always book another demo, use the help tabs, or always go to Textdrip.com. And always remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.